This module provided a comprehensive understanding of the licensing framework governing Arizona real estate professionals under Title 32, Chapter 20 of the Arizona Revised Statutes, ARS, and the Arizona Administrative Code, AAC. Title 4, Chapter 28. The Arizona Department of Real Estate, ADRE, serves as the state agency responsible for administering these laws, ensuring that all individuals who engage in real estate activity meet strict educational, ethical, and professional standards. The licensing system is designed to protect the public by ensuring that only competent, qualified, and trustworthy individuals represent clients in real estate transactions. To obtain and maintain a real estate salesperson license, several steps must be followed. Under ARS Section 322124, an applicant must be at least 18 years old, demonstrate honesty and good character, and complete 90 hours of pre-license education from an ADRE-approved school. This coursework covers essential topics such as Arizona real estate law, contracts, agency, fair housing, and commissioner's standards upon completion. The applicant must pass both the school final exam and the state licensing exam, which measures knowledge of both national principles and Arizona-specific laws. After passing the state exam, the applicant must file their original salesperson license application within 1 year of the exam date, as required by ARS Section 32-2124D. The application must include proof of education, the official exam score report, a fingerprint clearance card from the Arizona Department of Public Safety as required by ARS Section 41-1758.03, a disclosure document checklist, and the signature of an employing broker who will supervise the applicant's real estate activities. No salesperson may engage in real estate activity without being affiliated with a licensed broker, as mandated by ARS Section 32-2123B. The broker assumes full supervisory responsibility for the licensee's professional conduct under Commissioner's Rule R 4-2-8-1103A. Once licensed, the individual must maintain their license through biennial renewal. Following ARS Section 322130A, every 2 years, licensees must complete 24 hours of continuing education through an ADRE-approved school, covering mandatory topics such as contract law, agency, disclosure, fair housing, legal issues, and commissioner's standards. Renewal applications and license renewal fees must be submitted before expiration to avoid interruption of active status. Failure to renew on time results in the license becoming inactive or expired, depending on how much time has elapsed. When submitting an original license application, specific elements must be included for ADRE approval. These include proof of education, passing exam results, the fingerprint clearance card, the disclosure document checklist, the employing broker's signature, government-issued identification, and payment of required fees. These documents confirm the applicant's qualifications, integrity, and readiness to practice under Arizona law. The Commissioner's authority and limitations regarding applicants with a criminal history or a revoked license are grounded in ARS Section 322124A and ARS Section 32-2153. The Commissioner must determine whether an applicant possesses honesty, truthfulness, and good character while balancing fairness and public protection. Convictions involving fraud, theft, dishonesty, or violence may result in denial, but Arizona law, specifically ARS Section 41-1093.04, prevents automatic disqualification solely based on criminal history unless the offense directly relates to the duties of a real estate professional. The applicant bears the burden of proving rehabilitation through evidence such as court documents, proof of sentence completion, and character references, misrepresentation, or failure to disclose past convictions is itself grounds for denial under ARS Section 322153A1. The Department of Real Estate issues and regulates several types of licenses, each with distinct roles and authorities. The salesperson license authorizes individuals to engage in real estate activity under a supervising broker. The broker license allows a person to operate independently or supervise others, with two subcategories: associate broker, who works under another broker, and designated broker, who oversees a brokerage. The ADRI also issues entity licenses to corporations, partnerships, and limited liability companies engaged in brokerage activity, provided they designate one licensed broker to assume responsibility under ARS Section 32-2125A. Additionally, the department regulates cemetery and membership camping salesperson and broker licenses under ARS Sections 32-2194 to 32-2199.06, ensuring consumer protection in specialized markets. The module also addressed compensation for licensees who operate under a professional limited liability company, PLLC, or a professional corporation, PC, under ARS Section 32-2155A. All compensation for real estate activities must flow through the employing broker. However, a broker may authorize payments to a PLLC or PC if it is registered with the Arizona Corporation Commission, properly named on the license, and wholly owned by the licensee. These entities exist solely for tax and compensation purposes and cannot conduct real estate activity independently. Violations of this rule, such as directing commissions to an unlicensed entity, may result in disciplinary action under ARS Section 322153A17. Arizona law strictly limits the number of employing brokers under whom a licensee may perform real estate activity. According to ARS Section 322123B, a salesperson or associate broker may work under only one broker at a time. This rule ensures consistent supervision, accountability, and consumer protection. While a designated broker may oversee multiple licensed entities under ARS Section 32-2125B, salespersons and associate brokers are bound to a single employing broker. During any transition between brokers, a licensee must cease all real estate activity until the new employment is officially recorded by the ADRE, as conducting business during this period constitutes unlicensed activity under ARS Section 32-2165A. Finally, the module examined the distinctions between active, eligible, inactive, expired, and terminated license statuses, which reflect a licensee's standing with the department. An active license allows the licensee to legally conduct real estate activity under a supervising broker, provided all education and renewal requirements are current. An eligible license means the license is current but unaffiliated with a broker and cannot be used to conduct business until reactivated. An inactive license is renewed but not active due to lack of broker affiliation, while an expired license occurs when renewal is not completed by the expiration date. Under ARS Section 32-2130D, licensees have a 1-year grace period to renew before the license becomes void. A terminated license results from disciplinary action or legal operation, most often following a recovery fund payout under ARS Section 32-2188B, or revocation under ARS Section 32-2153. Key takeaways for exam preparation. Licensing process. To obtain a license, complete 90 hours of pre-license education. Pass the state exam. Submit an application within 1 year. Provide a fingerprint clearance card. An affiliate with a broker, continuing education and renewal. Complete 24 hours of continuing education every 2 years and pay renewal fees on time to maintain active status application requirements. Include proof of education, test scores, fingerprint clearance, full disclosure, broker's signature, and fees. Commissioner's authority. The commissioner may deny a license for crimes involving dishonesty or prior revocation, but must consider rehabilitation under ARS Section 41-109, 3.04. Types of licenses: salesperson, broker, associate or designated, entity, cemetery, and membership camping licenses are all regulated by the ADRE. PLLC/PC compensation. Licensees may receive payment through a PLLC or PC if it is properly named on their license, registered with the Arizona Corporation Commission, and approved by their broker employing brokers. A licensee may perform real estate activity under only one broker at a time. Brokers may manage multiple entities only if each is properly licensed. License statuses. Active. Licensee may legally conduct business under a broker. Eligible. Renewed but not affiliated with a broker. Inactive. Renewed but not in use. Expired. Missed renewal. 1-year grace period before becoming void. Terminated. License canceled by law or disciplinary action. Final reflection. Module 1.4 emphasizes that Arizona's licensing requirements are designed to uphold public trust, ensure accountability, and maintain a professional standard across all levels of real estate practice. Whether applying for a new license, maintaining an active one, or managing professional entities, compliance with statutory requirements and commissioner's rules is non-negotiable. Understanding these principles equips licensees not only to pass their exam, but also to uphold the ethical and legal integrity expected of Arizona real estate professionals.